the angles which are side by side.
Means one angle is there. You cut those angles. These two angles will be adjacent.
Addition.
And sum of these angles will be the sum of will be the angle which is the bigger angle. You know, complementary angle.
Which is 90.
Sum of angles is 90 degree. Supplementary angle.
180. Sum of angles.
Now you practice on those questions. Like sum of two angles is 180. One angle is around 112. What is the other angle? Now you will do with full. Don't do like just for the sake of doing. I will just do it in 180 minus 112. The answer is no. Do each and every step carefully. Start taking X. You think that thing is very much boring. That I'm doing full solution. I can do directly in rough. I can write the answer. No. That is very much like deteriorating your code. Each and every question you do, at least it should be of 5 minutes. Every maths question. Put the value of X, then we do this, then we subtract from this, then equating both the two sides. Then at the final you write with black pen or that thing that this value is this. You draw proper diagrams. What will it help you? It will help you to increase the speed of writing. If anyone has a question of how to increase speed of calculation in writing, this thing is the best. In your comfort zone, if you stress your mind, it will help you very much. One slogan is there: one who sweats in comfort does not bleed in warfare. Okay. If you are like putting yourself in a stressful situation at the time of your comfort, that is the real difficult time. You will not feel very much difficult. Okay. Anything else? I asked I'm just trying here. I'm not very very much.
Which class you are?
8. I'm very 9th. I'm very important.
In which class do you study right now?
4.
Oh, nice.
If you are studying about this RMS and science in class 4, then it is a very high thing.
Definitely you will succeed.
Already you are having 1 or 2 years. In this you can study this much, not this much, which I could also not study. You can study this much in 1 or 2 years.
और कुछ पूछो इंग्लिश में कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या करना चाहिए, इंग्लिश की तैयारी कैसे करें?
Question are very very important. Time is very important.
बेटा पूछो
How
कुछ
you
और,
can be managed.
any doubt?
Time is money.
Time is very precious. You should not waste the time. Really.
If anyone think that
I am very weak in English writing part that contains 10 marks. So how can I improve it?
will you practice? I will take it. I'll tell you a story. There was a guy, there was a hunter. He used to hunt every day. One day, he also thought this thing that I'm not getting anything to hunt now. I used to hunt bunny rabbits, but now I have to hunt a lion. How will I do? Yaar, this is a very high job. Big hunters do that. I can't do that thing. But he started practicing. He started to practice shots on the tree. He started to practice on like fake dummies. That his aim was this much clear that once he was not aware that he is going to hit by a lion. He was in encounter with the lion. But one day a lion attacked on him. He was not in the mood to kill him. But those aims, those practice were this much that he was this much practice, he was this much committed to his aim that he killed the tiger. With what? A bagna. And you know whom I am telling about? Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Understand? He was not in the mood to kill the tiger, but he killed the tiger with a bagna. What's the meaning of bagna? It is just a little bit piercing needles. With that, he killed the tiger by his hand, and his jaws were torn apart. The bite PSI of tiger is like you can't imagine also. Then also he killed the tiger because of what? Practice. Okay? So writing is not a very much big deal. Like if you are having ideas, if you are creative, how will you get creativity? By reading. You read books. Which books? I am not telling you to read this R.D. Sharma. These are not books. Books means this story books. Story books, you know. In RMC also, I study very much like library type story book. I also have now also that Bhagavad Puran. I read that thing. I don't know how to read Sanskrit, so I read in English. I read in English. in whichever language you're comfortable, get ideas from them. Don't just read stories that I am reading stories for like granted that I am getting like fun from out of that. Get fun also, but see how the writer is conveying his point. What way he's forming sentences, what way he's getting interest into the reader. So I have to understand that how to get interest from the reader. Then only your essay will be good. Then only the examiner will give you 10 marks. First, you have to get interest. You have to get interest, attract the reader. That from a first line only, the reader should become curious. What is going to happen in that essay? Second thing, pay attention to your writing speed. I'm telling you, not just in English, in GK also, in everything. You write it in elaborate. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, you are writing about him. Write in elaborate. Increase one line to 20 lines. This much capability you should have. Then only you are going to write a good essay. It should become longer. You know? You have to convey your point simple, straight, and elaborate that thing. Okay? And third thing, spelling mistakes. Very much people have spelling mistake difficulties. So, and if spelling you think that it is very much harsh, it is like, you know that word power, vocabulary, everyone should do here. Everyone does, everyone studies about five words every day. Everyone learns. So don't just learn the word that I am learning about this. Accomplice, a word is there, accomplice. Whom of you mean the meaning of accomplice? No. Accomplice means the partner in crime. Now accomplice, I know the meaning that, what is the meaning of accomplice? But I don't know the spelling of it. Write it. Write the spelling 10 times, 100 times, until unless you, like, it is fit in your mind. Accomplice, ACCOMPLIC. Write the spelling also. Whenever you get, you're reading just a calendar here. You get a new word, write it. Start writing. Get the meaning, start writing. Make sentences out of it. So this will give you a better spelling and word power. And this will also if you are writing the same word, good. You are writing about something, and one same word is getting repeated many times. Like Ram was good, Ram was very much, Ram was this. So use synonyms. Synonyms you learn now. You don't learn synonyms for that MCQ wala part. It helps you in that writing also. Use synonyms. Synonyms are very much like, you can't even what's the power of synonym. Synonym you can use in that MCQ. What is the synonym of this? What is the synonym of this? And you can use in writing also. If same thing, same idea, same word is getting repeated, use a synonym of that. That will make like colorful. It make your essay colorful. And time limit. You set a timer of 12 minutes, then 11 minutes, then 10 minutes. Decrease your time day by day. Okay, this will help you in writing essay.
Any question? Any doubts?
भैया आपने मैथ्स में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व जल्दी कैसे करते हैं?
Practice. I will tell you practice here. Everyone is asking me same question but in a different approach. How to write English, how to write maths, how to write this, how to write this. I'm telling you. In which class are you? Sixth.
Sir,
Sixth. So complete your sixth wala maths book. I'm telling you, don't just write answers of that questions. Do it in an elaborate way. In first, it will be like boring. Why am I doing here? I'm a fool. Everyone is doing fast. I'm a fool. No, you're not a fool. You're far better than those guys who are writing answers of it directly. Those guys are thinking that I will write answer in this coaching. In comfort zone, I will be comfortable. And when the examination will come, they will not be able to manage the time only. So write. No one is forcing you to write very much fast now, but you have to improve it by yourself. In 6th class, get the R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agrawal of 6th class. NCERT first of all, NCERT. Get it right, each and every question, each and every solution, one line each. And set a timer that these 10 questions I will do in 30 minutes. And I will do properly. Properly means complete I will do. Complete rehearsals I will do, complete like each and every step I will write in 30 minutes. If I am not able to meet the time, same time again, start again. Do it until you reach the time of 30 minutes. Then decrease the time by 5 minutes, 25 minutes. Then I will do it 25 minutes. I will wait fast. Then 20 minutes. Faster. Okay? Do it again and again. Now change the set of questions. Next 30 questions in 1 hour. Meet the time. Try to meet the time. Like this only you work. You don't clear an examination by your teacher. That now everyone has a different quality. She can do questions slow. She can do fast. She can do slow. She can do little bit medium pace. She can do faster. It does not mean that he can do fast, so I can also do fast. It depends on your quality. You have to understand how much you can do. Anything else? Ask. I want questions. I'm hungry. Very much hungry I am. Anyone?
आप बैठे नहीं सकते
No one? Rest. How is the study going on? Anything? Any query?
बेटा किसी और को कोई क्वेरी कोई डाउट कुछ भी पूछना हो आप पूछ सकते हैं बेटा यस
तो RMC में जाके आपको कैसा फील हुआ?
First, so I was like 138 acres.
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन बेटा
This much big school. I am now successful. I am 100% successful. This much hard work I have done. This thing. I am successful. I am in that zone. But when I went there, I used to study. In studies, I used to get done. Like my marks got worse. In my maths only, 1-2 marks were cut in every examination. I was asking by myself only, how, why? But now I came to know that there I was in comfortable zone. Now I have come in that zone that I had to manage each and every time, each and every second of my day. Our routine is not so simple. We have to get up at 3:30, 4 o'clock. Then we have to go to play in the morning. In 4 o'clock you have to go to play, go to run, go for workouts. Then at 6 o'clock legal PT will start. This PT you are doing illegal. Okay? 6 o'clock PT will start. And PT, you know what is the meaning of PT? That PT of RIMC. Okay? Then after PT you are coming, you are changing in 15 to 20 minutes. You will come from PT kit, you have to take bath, you have to do everything and then change into your this OG or mufti which I am wearing. What is the kit of the day? And sprint up for breakfast. Otherwise you will miss the breakfast also. You eat the breakfast, you go for academic block. Then till 2 o'clock you study there. Then you come for lunch and again official timings are like that. You come from lunch at 2:45 and till 3:45 or 4 o'clock rest period is there. But actually rest period is not there. It is just for sake of saying. We sprint up to dorm after lunch. We remove all our clothes, throw it on bed, wear our this section t-shirts and all, go for playing again, running, doing workout, heavy workout. After that from 3 to 5:30 we play. This much time we play, this much time we do workout. We get sweat this much now, we are like, why are we doing this? But then we realize that it is very much important. Then 5:30 to 6 o'clock, half an hour only for changing again. Sprint up to dorm again. You are like, a washroom is also not empty. Many people are, you are only not the one taking bath. You have to manage how to manage showers. 2 in 1 shower, 3 in 1 shower. Okay? Then after that we change, go for preps. 2 hours preps. Then also you are feeling weak. We have done this much workout. After that you are feeling weak. Then also you are studying. And exam is there tomorrow. At night you come. You are not able to study. You have to manage your these things also. You have to settle your things also. Your parents are not there to settle your cupboard. You have to settle your cupboard. And if your cupboard is not settled, you will get ragda. Ragda is the harsh truth of life. You have to get it. It's not, I am not scaring you away. That you will not get, I am telling you bad things. No. This is a part of life. If you want to go in defense forces, this is very much important. You have to get yourself clean. And there is a moral value, and you have to get hygiene, you have to give time for hygiene also. Okay? You have to wash your clothes, you have to wash your socks, you have to wash your undergarments. That is not, like your parents are not there to wash those things. You have to take care of that also, you have to take care of studies also, take care of sports also, take care of your health also. Everything you have to do in a specific 24 hours time period. And here what you are doing, just what you have to do? Just study have your this meal, again study, do matar gashti with your telmers, those who are with you, play pen fight in lunch time, sleeping in class. This is the routine, and where the harsh routine of RMC. So you have to understand that you are in a comfortable zone. Okay? That thing happens in RMC. So I'm not scaring you guys. RMC is a very high place. Like facilities are very much good, but routine is not very much like according to your comfort. It is not comforting you. Not for you like you are like in your comfort zone. You are sleeping. No, it's not like that. You have to abandon your sleep. Guys. Reaching RMC means you have become an army officer. Now you are living life of an army officer. Like when you will become army officer, then also your life will be like this only. Don't think that life is this much easy. You have to go like this. You are studying for sake of getting punished.
देखा बेटा, मैं तो आपको पनिश भी नहीं करती, मुझे ही आपको सुबह वेकअप करवाना होता है.
Your teachers might scold you for your not completing your homework and all. That thing you feel bad. यार क्या है, क्या teacher है, डांट रहा है. Then if you come in RMC, then you will think, yaar, that teacher was just scolding me. Now I am getting ragda out here. How will I manage? How will I manage? That thing you will realize then. So you are currently in comfortable zone. Take full advantage of that. You will not die if you abandon sleep for 10 minutes.
Ultimately, focus on your education.
Focus on your education. Nothing
That's
else.
all. Nothing else.
Don't have to do anything else. Don't have to play little bit. How much you play? 1 hour max. Maximum 1 hour.
1 hour.
Or Sunday 2-3 hours. In RMC every day you have to play for 5 to half an hour. 5 or 6 hours in a day you have to play each and every day. And on Sundays 7 to 8 hours. You have to manage your this body. Your body will be the same, just your mindset will change. How to manage? Real?
भैया ये आपने कौन सी क्लास में आरएमसी में टॉप किया था?
You were studying in class 7 right now, that time.
I was also like you, yaar. I was also like Golu Molu. I was like very much fat guy. You have seen my photo, na? Very much fat I was that time.
है मेरे पास.
यही
I have many pics.
वो वाली ब्रांच थी.
That branch was there, na? I should ready there.
तब मेरी ब्रांच उस साइड होती थी गली में,
गली
फिर
में.
वहाँ से मैं चेंज करके यहाँ आ गई.
That time I was this much fat. One day, like
सेम ऐसे आप लोगों को जैसा लगता था जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पे आए हो और लगता है कि क्या मैं क्रैक कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, ऐसे मैं भी जतिन को लेके आया था. मैं आगे बैठी थी, इंटरव्यू हो रहा था.
first day, ma'am took my that question paper or test. And one day,
मैम ली थी क्वेश्चन पेपर, छोटा सा टेस्ट ली थी.
that day I was not able to do anything यार. मैं कुछ आ नहीं रहा, HCF लेना नहीं आ रहा. HCF लेना आ नहीं रहा, क्या
सेम विल हैपन विद जतिन ना कि मैं रूट 2 के वैल्यू पूछता हूँ, रूट 2 के वैल्यू नहीं पता थी. एज ऑफ नाउ यू आर गिविंग द रिस्पांस ना, लेकिन बट you have
don't
to
feel
improve.
bad. Don't feel bad. I don't know meet the.
You can improve easily. It's a good platform. It's a good teacher. All things is available here.
Now see, we have asked you a question. Now most of you will go. Just start studying again now. No one will try to like define what is the meaning of root 2. If someone does that thing, that guy is successful. If someone goes after that and research what is the pi, what did I say about pi? Now if you have that mindset now, you are curious. You have to become curious. That mindset will go, and then search what is root 2, what is root 3. If I could answer that time, that would be very much good. Izzat mil jati hai. I'm not here for giving you izzat or respect, but the thing is that you have to become curious. We have asked you something. This is not just sake for asking, not just being in front of camera and asking you guys. No, it was the same that you are not doing that thing. Go research. Root 2, root 3. Research for more. Root 5, root 7. If in future anyone asks, I will be perfect in this course. Now no one will be able to like embarrass me for this thing. That I don't know the value of root 2. I don't know the value of pi. What is the meaning of pi? What is pi? No? Complementary angle, adjacent angle. I will be perfect in that.
I can practice also. If you have feel any hesitation or any curiosity, any doubts in the particular subject or particular things, you can put the question to your chief teachers, well qualified teacher available here in the Zone Sen Academy. You can put the question and get the final answer from there. If you again have any hesitation, any doubts, again put the question with the teachers. You can finally find out the best solution from there. And also you have a quality सर्च तो कर सकते हो, मोबाइल इज अवेलेबल हियर नो, तो मैम से पूछ सकते हो क्या है क्या नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स आपको वहाँ पे क्लास में से डाउन हो जाएंगे. नॉट नीड टू सर्च ऑन मोबाइल, बट
इन RMC लोन के मोबाइल
माइंड में उसको लेके ना शर्मा के बैठना नहीं है. छोटा भी डाउट होता है ना 0.1% का भी, मैडम प्लीज़, सर प्लीज़ मुझे ये समझाइए, मुझे नहीं समझ में आया, आई डोंट नो. इतने
और वो तब भी होगा बेटा, अगर आपके पास डाउट नहीं होगा और
हाँ.
आपकी सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगी, फिर तो कभी भी एग्जाम नहीं निकलता
Don't
बेटा.
feel in class that I am asking doubts, so I am fool. You are not fool. You are the one that you are curious. You are the one you are asking in the full class, in front of full class. Full class will be like laughing on you, like
हाँ.
"अरे यार, इसको
कुछ नहीं आता, इसको कुछ नहीं आता, ये ऐसे पूछता रहता है. डोंट थिंक अबाउट व्हाट
You
हैपेंड.
will only. I also ask this much doubt to my teacher that time. Like jam, I used to be there. I used to ask this much doubt, this much doubt. Teacher also confused. ये बंदा डाउटी है. इस बंदे को कुछ आता है डाउट.
इट मीन्स कहने का मतलब ये है बेटा, जो डाउट्स जिसको नहीं आएगा वो पढ़ नहीं रहा, पढ़ोगे तभी डाउट्स आएंगे, ये फैक्ट है.
The one who has not committed a mistake has never tried something new. Albert Einstein.
कभी प्रयास नहीं किया आपने?
मिस्टेक अगर नहीं की तो मतलब कि आप
Start नहीं किया आपने?
स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया कुछ नया. आप एक ही चीज़ को बार बार करते जा रहे हो, उसमें फिर परफेक्शन आ जाता है. लेकिन आप कोई भी चीज़ नहीं करोगे पक्का ही मिस्टेक हो जाएगी, पक्का मैं बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है, सिंप्लीफिकेशन आपने लगाना शुरू किया, आपने अभी आज ही पढ़ा है सिंप्लीफिकेशन. ऑब्वियस ही बात है आपको डाउट आएगा, हो ही नहीं सकता परफेक्ट एक टू. आपने इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ा, ये नहीं आप डिफरेंशिएशन निकालना शुरू कर दोगे डायरेक्ट, आएगा कि हाँ इंटीग्रेशन आप पढ़ रहे हो, इंटीग्रेशन में एक आपका आगे डिफरेंशिएशन का क्वेश्चन लो, अब होगा डाउट.
आपका क्या नाम बेटा?
वैशाली.
वैशाली. We have put a best question from Jatin कि how we can very improve our English writing and all.
Then
Better
now just
practice.
say for saying.
आप जब स्टार्ट करोगे ना, when you will write down everything ना, you have just the thought in English, process your mind process in English, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to write down, whatever you want to do, that should be, that idea comes directly to your mind in English. You don't be convert to Hindi to English. This idea came from there in mind directly in English, and you can easily write down.
And if you follow these things, then you will be sitting here. You'll be somewhere. I will be somewhere else. You will be sitting here. Camera will be working, and you will be telling to other guy.
Other guy.
That how did I do?
Any other question? Any doubts? Any confusion? Yeah.
वो आपने वो इंग्लिश इतनी फास्ट बोलना कहाँ से सीखी?
It's a practice.
Practice, yeah. Practice.
It's a practice. When you will pass your RMC and RMS assigned school, when you go for the interview and all, na, definitely you will be in that particular position.
That
Don't worry
serious
about it.
condition will be there. 5 examiners only.
हाँ.
5 interviewers will be there. They will be taking your interview. That also you are in full nervousness कि होगा RMC. आप इधर सोच रहे हो RMC होगा नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे आपको आपका घर गाँव पूछ रहे हो. घर में आपके क्या हुआ? Interview asked me a very much strange question. What do you watch on TV? Then I told that actual thing that मेरा क्या है, I am not like liar type guy. If I ask you what do you watch on TV, for getting your respect you will tell me I watch news. Many people tell na I watch news yaar. I'm not a kid now. To get respect. No, don't never tell that. To the interviewer also, that RMC interviewer who will be deciding my future in RMC. I told him I watch cartoons. Then he asked me which cartoon do you like the most? Again the Cockroaches. No, see, what did he ask? Who is the dub artist of Again the Cockroaches? Who dubs in Hindi? Sense of question? No, you will not find it in books. Where will you find? You are watching scrolling shorts. I got one shot. That was my fortune that I got that shot. That before 2-3 days ago I was like scrolling. One day I got that Sanjay Kenny is one that guy artist who does Again the Cockroaches. I told you Sanjay Kenny is or a good yaar. How do you know that? That thing happens if you tell truth. You are in the way of truth. God will also help you. Okay? Never tell lie. This is the thing. If you are telling lie, for getting that one lie in shape, you have to tell thousands of lies. And one lie will be baseless and which will break you down in that full interview. it will decrease the respect of the interviewer. If an interviewer gets to know about one lie, if he catches your lie, then you know that your interview is ruined properly. You are telling truth, you could not answer one thing, you answered wrong. That thing will not happen very much. But if you tell lie and that lie gets caught, then it will be very much negative impression on the interview. Tell everything truth, tell by heart. And English is not very much hi-fi thing, it's just a way of communication, just a language. You will learn it easily. As you have learned Hindi, you will learn English also. English is not very big deal. Focus on the studies for now. Do not-
Contents must be
Content, you should know, you must have material in the mind. Then only, I have very much material, then only those are coming words, those are coming in communication that will lead to fluency. Fluency will come by practice.
Any other question?
भैया
Any doubt?
आप हॉस्टल में थे या डे बोर्ड है?
Day work.
This does not mean you be in hostel, you be in day boarding. At the time of studies, you study. In hostel also you get self-study time. At home, that my too was very much difficult. I had to study the whole day. Then my time was wasted from going here to home. That van wala bhaiya, traffic was also there. In that time you can utilize that time. Those who are boarders, they could utilize that time, that travel time. That time was saved.
2 hours daily wastage.
2 hours wastage यार, 24 hours में 2 hours. उनको लग रहा होगा कि यार 2 hours, what is 2 hours? 2 hours is nothing. But when you grow up, you come in like military schools and you will realize what is 2 minutes. I'm not talking about 2 hours, 2 minutes. What is the meaning of 2 minutes? For running we are given time of 120. 1 minute 20 seconds to round that thing. Run and come back. We are dead for that 1 second. We cannot come in 1 second. We come in 121. We are not left. You will regret it. 1 second is very much important. From that traveling time, 2 hours were wasted. Then also I went home. I used to change. And human is a social animal. I should talk also. My parents are there. I have to talk. You talk with your termers. That thing is also there. You are not like padaku. Don't become that much padaku also. Like I'm just studying. Someone is trying to talk to me. But no. You have to get yourself in talking. Not talking about games. Talking about what teacher taught. In your that matragasti also na. You don't have to forget your this main aim. You also talk यार कैसे clear करेंगे यार. अभी तो मतलब क्या है, आज क्या पढ़ाया टीचर ने? आज पढ़ाया अकबर के बारे में. अकबर तेरे को और पता है? मैंने YouTube शॉर्ट्स में पहले देखा था अकबर के बारे में. No, but you talk about यार सबवे सेवन कौन सा लेवल था यार, तो कौन से वैकेशन में कौन सा लेवल में क्या है यार, मैं तो लेवल 10 पे. अरे मैं तो यार लेवल 15 था यार. मेरे पास तो स्केट बोर्ड भी है, मेरे पास तो बूस्टर्स भी है. That will not help you. You have to put your all time. That 2 hours I used to waste. You can use that 2 hours. You don't go home. Most of you are boarders only, night boarders only. So you can use those 2 hours, those 2 extra hours in study. Anything else?
भैया आप कौन से स्टेट के हैं?
UP. UP is difficult state. Very much population is there. Whom of you are from UP? We have to work very much hard. In RAMC, so no reservation is there, but other schools, that cutoff is there, na? Science school cutoff is there. That specific science schools, so specific cutoff. Don't get that cutoff. You have to pay your full amount. Don't just look for cutoff. That cutoff is 270, so I will study for 270. Study for 300. 300 out of 300. Then if some margin leaves 90, that thing will be.
करना ही नहीं था आरएमएस यानी कि उसको तो करना ही था ना. गोल तो एक था, विजन तो एक था. क्या था? आरआईएमसी. पर आरएमएस यानी कि उसको करना है, फर्स्ट बार करो. वो भी अच्छा स्कूल है, कोई डाउट नहीं है. पर जिसको लगता है कि मेरे अंदर इतनी पोटेंशियल है, आई कैन डू इजीली.
You think your potentials, go for RAMC.
मैं आरएमसी के लिए ही बना हूँ, तो भाई थोड़ा एफर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा.
And then also that thing also, that you come in RAMC, you clear examination, you come here, then you should have that much courage also that I can bear the RAMC. Coming here and maintaining is also very much helpful thing. That you are maintaining yourself. you can get in shape in that tough time of
I
RMC.
feel think about the RMC, na, your potential will increase
आदर्श नो
according to your potential right now. आप क्या लिख पा रहे हो क्या नहीं लिख, लेकिन ऐसे राइटिंग लेटर राइटिंग आरएमसी का देखो और आरएमएस इंस्टीट्यूट का देखो, थोड़ा है डिफरेंट. इंग्लिश भी थोड़ा इजी है, मैथ भी थोड़ा इजी है, बट यू विल थिंक अबाउट द आरएमसी ना,
Officer like qualities.
तो ओएल क्यों बोलते हो आप?
OLQ.
उस कैटेगरी से आरएमएस सैनिक स्कूल तो आपको ऐसे निकल जाएगा, एक एग्जाम ऐसे निकल जाएगा, कुछ नहीं है उसके लिए. तैयारी बड़ी करो तभी आप जीतोगे.
I did not study for RMS and Sainik School from extra, but I am studying just for RMS Sainik School. I used to study for RMC. So RMS Sainik School was like बच्चा for me. That's it. It was
कुछ नहीं है, कोई भी अच्छा देख के पास कर सकते हो.
I was studying for RMC. हाँ भाई RMS का पेपर आ गया, चलो थोड़े 2-4 OMR शीट्स कर लेते हैं. Done? पूरा दे दिया, 10 बजे दे दिया, हो गया. Sainik School also आ गया है, जनवरी में एग्जाम आ गया.
जतिन की मेरे पास पूरी बुक पढ़ी हुई है, इनकी नोट्स बुक पढ़ी है, इनकी वो जो करते थे नहीं थे वो जो
प्रैक्टिस
OMR शीट वो सब पढ़ी है.
मैम
मैं अगली बार आऊँगा, जून में आऊँगा ना, आई विल गिव टू द दिस कोचिंग. आपको मैम देंगे ये जतिन की राइटिंग है, कैसे तैयारी की,
नोट्स आ गए.
क्या क्या तैयारी की थी, वो सारी पढ़ी हुई है, एकदम कॉन्सेप्चुअल पढ़ी हुई है. ऐसे करो, मैंने किसी को दिया, आप सभी को देके जाओ, उसमें से 4-5 लोग निकल के आओ RMC में, तो फायदा है. कम से कम मेरे को इससे 4-5
And I
लोग.
guarantee you, ma'am will be giving you that OMR sheets. I also have the OMR sheets of ma'am, which ma'am gave me. That OMR sheets you get now for practice. You get or not?
मैंने दिया ना,
Yes.
वही OMR शीट है.
OMR sheet है क्या, बस एक बोला
उसमें बंदा बदल गया बस, और कुछ नहीं है. बंदा है, बंदी बदल गई बस, that's all.
OMR भी वही है, बुक भी यही है, टीचर भी, मतलब बस टीचर चेंज हुआ, कॉन्सेप्ट चेंज है, बस आदमी चेंज हो गया.
All of thing focus on your
Concept
goal.
is same, base will be same.
Goal. Every time you think about your goal.
Study
When you are
with base.
sleeping, in your sleeping way, you have to think, oh, आज ये रह गया.
Dream is not that thing which you get in sleep. Dream is the thing which does not let you sleep.
कभी आपको सोने नहीं देगा, ऐसा सोचो. अच्छा कल मैं ये करके दिखाऊंगा, मैं इस स्कूल में टॉप करके आऊंगा.
बिल्कुल बेटा, जो आप नाइट में सोते हो ना कि नहीं आज हमें जल्दी सोना है, आज हमें मस्ती करनी है, तो बेटा जब आपके पास फोकस है ना, तो सिर्फ उसी के बारे में सोचो कि करना है, यही एक सीट जो है वो हमारी है, तो हमें क्रैक करना है. सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, ये आपको जतिन ने बता दिया. तो डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, सिर्फ फोकस ऑन स्टडी. ओके बेटा,
ओके.
तो अच्छा लगा है जतिन से मिलके सबको. तो मुझे देखने को मिलेगा कि कौन कौन बच्चा डिसिप्लिन में आ चुका है, कौन कौन टाइम को मैनेज कर रहा है, सेल्फ स्टडी कौन कर रहा है. चलो गुड.